Welcome to another video on this YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I'll explain or show you how to transfer your money from cryptocurrency straight into your mobile money wallet. So if you are someone who wants to withdraw money from Binance into your mobile money wallet, I believe this video is the perfect video for you because we are going to do it right now. Alright, so guys, so the first thing to do is to open your Binance app and go to your Binance P2p trading. So if I tap on Binance P2p trading, automatically this is going to be for the rate at which people are buying, the rate at which people are selling. So meaning I want to buy from someone. So this is here, is it? But if I want to sell to someone, then I have to go to sell. Because I want to sell to someone, so I'll go to sell and set the rate at which I can sell to someone. Because if we didn't sell, there's no way we can get our physical cash. So we have to sell to someone so that we can get our physical cash. Then there'll be no deduction from whatever we are selling. So that's it. So I have to go through and see which of the rates I can sell it at, and that rate will be in my favor. So I'll have to take my time. There's no need to rush in this, especially if you are new. So you have to just take your time and see which one will go in your favor. So I've seen that this guy endless one will go in my favor because he's selling from the rate at the rate of 12 cedis, but starting from 100 Ghana cedis to 27,000. And the payment method to, he has MTN Momo. So meaning I can receive my money easily as well. So the next thing to do is to tap on this guy because I want to sell to him. So after that, if you check here, if you're in Ghana, if you check here, you see by fiat and by crypto. I want you to bring it to by fiat. Then you see the currency will be there for you. The Ghana cedi currency will be the cedi sign will be there for you. So the next thing to do is to input the amount you want to sell. So I want to sell, let's say 350. Okay, let me do it 400 Ghana. So I want to sell 400 Ghana cedis. So let me come here and reach his term and condition. He said I don't accept payment from third-party apps or ever send. So he's just giving some terms which I fall under it. I'm perfect for his transactions. So I'll just come here and tap on sell. All right, so guys, he sent the money. Now if you can check on the screen, you see that it's right here. So I'll just go there and also release the asset to him. But if you want to know whether truly the money is in your account, you can take your time and go and do your go to your Momo account and see if you have the money there. But I can see that the money is here already. So let me go back to my Binance account and go. Okay. So I can see he's also in hurry to get his money, so he gets his assets. So now that everything is set, now that he sent me the money, and now I have to give my USDT to him. So I will just come here and tap on payment received. So I will tell them that I have received the payment. So I'll just go here and confirm that I've received. Then they'll send me a code to verify if that is true. So I'll just come here and tell them to send me the code. Now if they send me the code, I'll copy it and paste it right here. Then that's it. So guys, you can see that 400 Ghana cedis sold successfully. So guys, that's basically how you can transfer your Bitcoin or your cryptocurrency into your mobile money wallet. So guys, I believe this video has been helpful. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to the YouTube channel so that I bring you more finance related videos. So guys, don't worry guys, this channel is going to help you do a lot of things in terms of finance, where we'll even go out there to interview some people so that they can show us the way how they were able to sustain in some of their businesses and all that. So guys, that's it for now. If you want to know the A to Z of how to use the P2P trading, this one is only how I converted cryptocurrency into mobile money. So if you want to know the whole process where you can buy and sell from scratch, there's video in the description about P2P trading. You can check it out. If you don't have Binance account, I did a video about how to create Binance account as well. If you have a fair idea about it already, use the link in my description, and I believe you can create a successful Binance account and you get something and I also get something. Charlie, small money day Binance, not even small money. There's a lot of money on Binance, but some of us, because we are not all that good in it yet, we are still learning, we are not making enough money on it. But those who are well versed in it, those who take it their full-time job, they are making a lot of money on Binance. I believe that my videos have been helpful, guys. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Thanks, and I'm going to see you in my next video.